Hey guys, we got Wingstop for lunch today. Cajun seasoned corn, 3-piece tenders with hot honey rub, a cherry Coke, and some ranch. So happy hot honey is a permanent flavor because it's the best. I wanted to try something new with my drink, but nothing hits the same like Dr. Pepper. Wow.